Hello YouTube! Today I will be making a full Helium 10 tutorial. I will also tell you the criteria I followed to hunt Amazon products. Before that, I would really appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Basically, Helium 10 is an online platform specifically designed to help you find profitable Amazon products and keywords that you can target. It has a bunch of different tools and I will be showing you how you can use them. There are other tools like Jungle Scout, which are also very similar. Some people will suggest you to only use Helium 10 or Jungle Scout, but I would say you should use both and then decide to invest in Amazon. I feel like Helium 10 is more powerful and has better tools, but I use both. Anyways, let's start. If you go down into the description of this video, you will see a Helium 10 link. If you click that and use the link to sign up for Helium 10, you get 50% off. I get a little affiliate commission, so it works out great for both of us. Alright, so here's the Helium 10 homepage. If you hover over Tools, you'll get a drop-down that shows you all the different tools. The main ones that I will be showing you are XRay, Blackbox and Cerebro. These are the tools that you absolutely need to start doing product research on Amazon, to find good products to launch and sell on Amazon. First tool you'll need is the XRay tool. This is the Helium 10 Chrome extension, just like the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. This is the tool that you'll use on Amazon to pull up a bunch of data. This tells you if the product is selling, how many units are selling, at what price, competition levels and all that sort of stuff. If I click this blue icon and then click X-ray, this tool compiles all the important data that you need from this page about these products into one box, so you can sort and analyze it. The main thing you want to use this box for is to find high demand and low competition. High demand means that there are several sellers of a certain kind of product that are making a bunch of sales of that product. That's important because you don't have to guess if people buy this product or not. You can already prove to yourself that yes, people do buy this product just by looking at this data. And you know the sellers of the product, how many sales are they making. These ones with SP are sponsored. You can just click here to hide them. You want to be looking at the organic results to figure out how these products are ranking organically in the search results. It's showing the products in the order they're ranked on the page. First, we want to look at the sales, and we want to see a lot of sales. If you see sales in thousands like here, that's high demand. There are a lot of people buying it on Amazon.com. Now you've identified the very first thing you want to find, which is high demand on Amazon. Now you have to figure out, can I successfully sell this product on Amazon? So here are some things that will factor in at this point. You should know what kind of product it is. Is it a patented product? Because you can't sell it if it carries patents. Another thing, you don't want to sell products that are in direct competition with very big brands. You won't have that much money to spend, so I would say skip past it. Don't try to compete with big brands, it's not worth it. Do more product research. One way of looking at competition is just buy the brand. Big brands are going to be extremely competitive. Another way to look at competition on Amazon is just by review count, because reviews is what is going to determine if there's high competition or low competition. If the sellers have a lot of reviews, that's high competition. If the sellers don't have a lot of reviews, that's low competition, and what you want to find is low competition. If you think like a buyer going on Amazon, when they search for a product, one of the main deciding factors will be how many good reviews a product has. So you want to look like a seller that has the most, or at least as many reviews as the other sellers. The more reviews you have compared to other sellers at the same product, and the better product listing you have, the more sales you will capture. Here it's going to tell you how many reviews each one of these products has. If you find that more than 2 products have 100 plus reviews, skip past that product because it's a high competition product. When you launch a product, you want to get as many positive reviews as possible and as quickly as possible. You want as many, if not more, reviews than your competitors. If a product, on average, has 50 to 100 reviews, you can get that many reviews quickly and rank on top of the search results. I would say if you can get 25 to 30 reviews, you will start to get sales. Not the max amount of sales that you can capture, maybe that requires you get to over 100 reviews. But with a handful of reviews, you will be able to start getting sales and start making some money. In this case, it would take several hundreds of reviews just to start capturing a good amount of sales. That's way too competitive. Anyway, this is the Amazon XRay tool. You just use this to pull up this data. Look for products with high demand, low competition, that aren't big brands and that are products that you can easily source from Alibaba and slap your own brand on them and then sell them on Amazon. Stay away from patents and products that break easily because they'll get damage in shipping, you'll get returns, you'll get negative reviews. Go with simple, non-breakable, lighter, smaller to ship type of products, which are typically easier and less expensive and less risky as far as getting negative reviews go. There is Helium 10 Blackbox, which is like the Jungle Scout product tracker. Basically, you can come here and select different categories, choose the revenue ranges, price ranges, review count ranges to filter out unwanted products. So you are telling Helium 10, I want to see all the products that are within the $20 to $45 price range, that are making X amount of revenue, and have under 45 reviews. So in theory, it should bring in products that meet this criteria. It should bring in products that are high demand, low competition, but I haven't really seen it work that well. What I've seen is, it just brings in a lot of products that aren't good products to be looking into. And you still have to do quite a bit of digging through the weeds. In theory, this tool sounds amazing, but I don't recommend you give this tool much importance for deciding products. Always give more importance to the research on Amazon.com itself. I've talked to other Amazon sellers and they have given me the same feedback. Yeah, in theory it should work really well, but in the end you still have to do a lot of digging. Another really good tool you should definitely be using is Cerebro. Cerebro is a reverse ASIN lookup tool, so this is cool and very powerful. Let's say we found a high demand, low competition product and you are looking at selling it. This is what you would want to do then. Search the product on Amazon and enter its ASIN here. It will show you all the different keywords that particular product is ranking for. What you want to do is double check that the products that are making a lot of sales, are they getting their sales from the same keyword you are looking at, or are they getting most of those sales from other keywords? You just want to figure that out because let's say all of their sales were coming from one keyword, but you're looking at searches of the other keyword. When you go to launch your product, it might not work very well because you're not launching it with the right keywords. So you want to figure out if these products are selling really well. Let's make sure and figure out from which keywords are their sales coming from. Another reason you want to do that is because you want to use those keywords for your listing when you launch your product. Assuming that you're launching this product, you want to rank for the keywords with the highest search volume that you can. So you want to figure out what keywords are the right keywords to rank for. You can figure out exactly what keywords and how much search volume is associated with those keywords for each product listing. I will show you how that works, so let's click into this one. I'm going to scroll down here and grab the ASIN. If you don't know, ASIN is a unique number associated with each product listing. So now that I've copied that ASIN, I come here to Cerebro, just paste it right there, and then I click Get Keywords. You can click Exact ASIN Match so it doesn't bring in other stuff. We want to know just this one. Now it has brought in a list of all the keywords that this product is ranking for. We can sort by search volume, high to low, and now we can see the search volume for each of the keywords that this product is ranking for. You can just keep looking. Some of these keywords might not even apply to your product. You need to find the combination of search terms, the keywords with the highest search volume they're ranked for. That's where most of their sales will be coming from. Another thing you can do is sort the organic rank column, and you'll get all the pages for which they're ranked number 1. And then you can go to the search column, and you can see how much search is going on for the keyword. So we can see very clearly here that this many searches are happening for each keyword. If they're ranked number 1 for this search term, it's very likely that they're getting most of their sales through that one keyword. We can go plug this newly found search term on Amazon.com. And since we know that this is where most of the sales are coming through for that ASIN, we can now see what other customers are seeing when they're searching for this type of product. And we can see our competition and the product market. Pull up the data and we can see what's the level of demand and competition here. Another thing you can do is also use all of these search terms to optimize your product listings and to optimize your PPC campaigns. I would highly recommend take all or some of them and plug them into your PPC campaigns and figure out which ones convert. Obviously, the ones that are like super outlandish, which don't make sense to be in the mix, delete those out. Let's say there's 5 keywords that it seems like people are ranking for, and through which people are getting sales. It could very well be that one of those keywords is by far like the most search and most of the sales are coming through that. But if you try and rank for that keyword, it might be really competitive. But there might be enough search volume in the other keywords that are much easier to rank for, even though they're not high search volume, but they're easier to rank for, so you can rank and start capturing sales and then you can get the ball rolling. Once the customers are leaving reviews, your review count is growing and you're getting better feedback on your product. You are getting ranked for those. Now you are in a much better position to compete and rank on the highest volume keyword. That's why it is important to find the different keywords using Cerebro, and to go see what the demand and competition looks like for each keyword, and determine which ones are going to be the keywords you want to rank for. Then there is this tool called Frankenstein. If you have compiled a huge list of keywords, maybe there are duplicates. This one is going to help you eliminate duplicates and just do stuff like that, like organize and clean up your keyword list. Cerebro and XRay are the ones you're going to want to use for product research, for determining high demand, low competition for specific keywords. Keyword Tracker can be another good one if you want to sit on a product. If you do research and you're looking at a product that you think is good but you want to watch it, track it for a couple of weeks, month, 2 months, just to make sure like it's consistent, it's healthy, it's not trending or something like that. You can use Keyword Tracker for that and track keywords and how they progress. If you use XRay and Cerebro well, get good at understanding data finding, high demand, little competition, then that's what's going to lead to your success as a seller on Amazon. That's why I wanted to break those down. Refund Genie is what it sounds like. Amazon sometimes messes up returns, doesn't give you their money when they should. Refund Genie is just gonna help you, which is great. It's a great tool, but this video is focused on the other ones. But it'll help you not lose some of that money that gets lost in refunds due to Amazon making mistakes. So that's Helium 10. Like I said, links down below in the description if you want to get a discount. You can also do emails through Helium 10 for your follow-up email campaigns, which you should absolutely be doing. They're crucial to getting reviews, and you can also just do that through Helium 10. Cerebro is extremely beneficial and extremely helpful because it helps you find those additional search volumes. I know what keywords competitors are ranked for, and that's extremely helpful information. Chrome extension is the bare minimum you need, and you can be successful with just that. but I also think Cerebro is a really good addition to that. They have incorporated all of the tools that a seller needs into one. I recommend Helium 10 over Jungle Scout, but the best research is done using data from both tools. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.